Royal was founded on a dream to design and build the best cooking equipment possible. Upgrade your kitchen today with Royal products so you can put more time into what makes up your dream menu. Royal, engineered for excellence. Introducing the Royal RCOS 1 energy-efficient gas convection oven. The RCOS 1 features a stainless steel exterior design with a large viewing window. The RCOS is supported by all-welded heavy-duty stainless steel legs, which allows for easy cleaning and maximum support. The easy-opening chain-driven doors utilize a full-length half-inch hinge rod from top to bottom supported by 3 brass bushings to ensure worry-free opening and closing for years to come. The inset control panel is easy to clean and features heavy-duty manual temperature controls and a 1-hour timer. The oven includes an all-porcelain interior for easy cleaning. The industry-proven snorkel air baffle design allows for 360-degree air movement throughout the oven for superior baking and even heating. While utilizing a 2-speed motor, the RCOS 1 is 48% energy efficient. The RCOS comes standard with an 11-position removable chrome support rack and 5 heavy-duty chrome shelves. The Royal RCOS 1 convection oven, engineered for excellence. For further information regarding the RCOS 1, please contact Royal Customer Service at 951-360-1600 or email us at customerservice@royalranges.com.